So I'm Lance Corporal Skillington from 220 Engineer Regiment in 3 Squadron. So this is the Charlie training quick block kit with different compounds to enable us to fight in a CQB environment. Yeah, the build was good, roughly about 8 hours for a full day. However, we have constructed it over 2 days. We split down into groups to build the different compounds. Again, depending on what manpower you've got, they should really go up quite easily. The build itself was definitely quicker than what I expected. With the amount of kit on the pallets, it's quite daunting, but once you start getting it off and it starts coming up, you realise how quick it actually can get erected. Plans and drawings were very simple, and once you've got them first 2 courses in, you just follow in the odds and evens, so the first and the third will match, second and fourth, and so on. So yeah, once you've got the first 2 courses in, the rest of the compound will go up quite easily. The drawings are quite straightforward with a nice key on, so you can't really go wrong. Initially, the doors look quite complicated, and the same again with the windows as well. But once you start getting them into place and putting the blocks around, yeah, it's not complicated at all. So not really much I would change, to be fair. It's quite simple and basic kit to use. Definitely recommend for other units. I think in terms of being able to do your own RTR training in the urban environment or CQB environment, and being able to take the compounds down and put them back up and change scenarios very easily, definitely would recommend.